As you can see, I wrote this guy a review about 2 years ago when we worked together, and just kind of want to go over some of the results for that time period, if my thing will allow it. Basically, with garage door industry, it's very very competitive. Okay, and he had tried, I believe he tried like this, where you're on the home service tab, and he hadn't really gotten very many results there. And so we were trying to figure out, hey, what's going on? Why are you not getting, better results on that home services thing? And without having these kind of numbers, it can be very difficult to stand out in that industry in garage door. And so that's really the kind of thing that you need in order to be able to be found more. And so, like, from not really having a system to get the reviews and then having one can be the difference between an advertisement being able to work and not being able to work, especially if it's on Google, because people are already on that page anyways, so they'll see the reviews regardless. So you can see, like, 4 years ago, really didn't get any reviews, not very many on a consistent basis, and now getting more regularly. If that's something you're also looking for, to get your advertising to work better, and you've been not knowing why it hasn't been working better, could it be that you just, people are going to be, they're going to be interested in the topic, they just don't know who to go to? And if you did have these kind of numbers, would that help you and your business as well? And if it would, you could actually contact me. My number is 213-290-1840.